Welcome to the top best. The best Exploding Kittens is probably one of the most entertaining card games out there, perfect for game nights or casual gatherings. This game blends strategy, a bit of luck, and a whole lot of humor, making it a hit with players of all ages. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or just looking for some lighthearted fun, Exploding Kittens promises an experience filled with suspense and laughter. Number 5. Exploding Kittens Recipes for Disaster Card Game. This is an exciting twist on the classic Exploding Kittens card game. It comes with curated cards and recipe booklets to unlock fresh and wild game modes. You'll find new and unexpected ways to enjoy this favorite card game. Whether playing with only imploding kittens or racing through a 2-minute lightning game, it offers a variety of ways to play. The game is designed to keep things interesting and fun for everyone. Suitable for ages 7 and up, and perfect for 2 to 5 players. It's great for kids, teens, and adults alike, making it ideal for family game nights. Don't forget the cone of shame, used for teasing players who forget whose turn it is. It adds an extra layer of fun and interaction to the game. The box includes 121 original cards, 13 recipe booklets for new game modes, 5 blank recipe booklets for custom gameplay, and a redesigned cone of shame. This ensures endless ways to play. Exploding Kittens was one of the most successful Kickstarter campaigns ever. The hilarious characters and thoughtful design have taken the world by storm, with millions of copies sold. What we like? This game offers a fresh take on a classic, with exciting new game modes unlocked by recipe booklets. It's perfect for those who enjoy a quick, dynamic card game. If you are looking for a game that keeps things interesting with unexpected twists, you should consider this one. What people say. It's a fun, fast, easy to learn and silly game. Each game takes about 10 minutes. The game is like Russian roulette. Each person draws a card. At any time you may draw an exploding kitten, and if you do, you die for the remainder of the hand. Number 4. Exploding Kittens Zombie Kittens Card Game. Welcome to Zombie Kittens, where the dead don't stay dead. This is a high-stakes card game where players can come back to life. It's a wild game of undead strategy. In this family-friendly game, draw cards and dodge exploding kittens. Use zombie kittens cards to claw your way back from the grave. Even after exploding, you can still torment the living. Perfect for ages 7 and up, it's great for 2 to 5 players. Add more decks for bigger groups and even more chaos. This game is designed for strategic, laugh-out-loud fun. Take this compact, travel-friendly game on road trips, to parties, or camping. It adds undead excitement to any gathering. It's easy to learn and fun to play. Includes 61 brand new cards with hilarious illustrations. Play it on its own or combine it with any Exploding Kittens deck. This game is a global phenomenon. Exploding Kittens started as a record-breaking Kickstarter. Join the fun with zombie kittens and experience the quirky games and art by the oatmeal that have captivated millions. What we like? This game introduces a unique twist where even dead players can claw their way back to win. It's a strategic, laugh-out-loud experience, perfect for any gathering. If you like a game with a bit of undead excitement and strategic depth, you should consider this one. What people say. It's a fun, fast, easy to learn and silly game. Each game takes about 10 minutes. The game is like Russian roulette. Each person draws a card. At any time you may draw an exploding kitten, and if you do, you die for the remainder of the hand. Number 3. Exploding Kittens Poetry for Neanderthals Card Game. Welcome to the world of Neanderthals. This game challenges you to communicate using only single-syllable words. It's a fun and silly way to test your vocabulary and have a laugh with friends and family. The rules are simple, get your team to guess words and phrases. But watch out. If you use a word with more than one syllable, you get bopped with the inflatable no. Stick. The team with the most points wins. Inside, you'll find 200 double-sided cards, game boards, the no. Stick, a sand timer, and an instruction manual. It has everything you need for a prehistoric adventure filled with laughter. This game is perfect for 2 to 6 players, ages 7 and up. It's great for family game nights, parties, or any gathering. It is a game that kids, teens, and adults will enjoy. Take it with you. It's ideal for travel, camping, or any time you want to inject some fun into your day. It's easy to learn and endlessly entertaining. From the creators of Exploding Kittens and the Oatmeal, this game offers a unique blend of wordplay and humor. Backed by a successful Kickstarter, it continues to delight players worldwide. What we like. This game challenges you to communicate using only single-syllable words, leading to hilarious moments. It's a family-friendly game that's easy to learn and endlessly entertaining. If you are looking for a game that combines wordplay with slapstick humor, you should consider this one. What people say. The game comes with a set of cards featuring single-syllable words, making it easy for players to construct their Neanderthal poetry. This game fosters creativity and quick thinking as players must find innovative ways to express ideas with restricted language. The game's white color design adds a clean and minimalist touch, and the high-quality materials ensure that it will withstand countless play sessions. Number 2. Exploding Kittens Bears vs. Babies card game. Welcome to Bears vs. Babies. This hilarious card game lets you build outrageous monsters. You'll combine parts, weapons, and hats to battle a horde of horrible babies. Players draw and play cards to create unique monster designs. Strategically use your creations to outwit opponents and score points. The goal is to defeat the baby army. Inside, you'll find 107 cards with humorous illustrations, a cloth game board, and an FAQ booklet. Everything you need for a fun and easy setup is included. This game is ideal for anyone who enjoys strategic and humorous games. It's perfect for friends, family, and anyone who loves a good laugh while building quirky monsters. Bears vs. Babies is great for game nights, parties, or casual get-togethers. The cloth game board and card components make it easy to play anywhere. From the creators of Exploding Kittens and the Oatmeal comes this game where creativity meets chaos. They bring you a monster-building experience that's as hilarious as it is strategic. What we like. This game lets you build outrageous monsters to battle horrible babies. It's a strategic and humorous experience with quirky creations. If you like a game that combines creativity with strategic gameplay, you should consider this one. What people say. It is an easy game to learn, but at the same time it's hard to see someone is always messing up the rules and getting yelled at. The game is played by creating bears monsters that fight other players' bears monsters and fight babies. The game itself was simple to play and amusing. The illustrations are well done and amusing. Number 1. Exploding Kittens Happy Salmon card game. This is Happy Salmon, a fast-paced card game from Exploding Kittens. It's designed for 3 to 8 players and is suitable for ages 6 and up. Get ready for some energetic fun. Each player has a stack of action cards. You'll need to shout out your actions to find a match. Once you find a partner, complete the action together and discard your cards. The game includes 98 action cards with original artwork by the Oatmeal. There's also an instruction manual to help you set up and start playing quickly. Happy Salmon is perfect for families, parties, or any event where you want to add laughter and movement. It's a great way to get everyone involved and having fun. Bring this game to game nights, parties, or casual get-togethers. It's a fantastic way to add a burst of fun to any gathering and get everyone moving. Happy Salmon brings energy and laughter to your game nights. Inspired by the Oatmeal, Exploding Kittens continues to create games that entertain and engage players of all ages. What we like. This game is a high-energy, fast-paced matching game that gets everyone moving. It's easy to learn and perfect for any gathering. If you are looking for a game that brings a burst of fun and laughter to your game nights, you should consider this one. What people say. The game is super simple to learn, with quick 90-second rounds that keep the energy high and everyone engaged. The fast pace and physical interactions, like high-fiving or switching places, make it a fantastic icebreaker or team-building activity. It's a quick game that serves as a good filler activity if there is a lull in the conversation, or as an icebreaker if the people attending the event haven't socialized together before. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.